Have you been in a car accident here in Colorado? If so, you need to listen to this video and figure out what you need to do if you've been in an auto accident. So the first thing you need to know is that you should go see a chiropractor. So a chiropractor specializes in musculoskeletal issues and whiplash. So if you've been in an accident, it's the best kind of doctor that you should go see, especially one that is versed in upper cervical chiropractic, which means the top of the neck. So there's a couple things that need to happen to make sure that you get care. So here's 4 things to do if you've been in an auto accident. So the first thing is you need to make a claim. And a lot of times people don't do this. They get in an accident, they think, oh, I'm going to be fine. There's no real damage. I'm not really feeling any sort of symptoms. But the reality is that you can have symptoms that develop down the road. So days or weeks, months, even years later. So you need to open a claim. And here in Colorado, it's a no-fault state, meaning that you can use your insurance even if it wasn't your fault. And your insurance rates actually cannot go up because that's illegal. So you have this car accident insurance on that you can use for medical expenses. And most people have at least $5,000. And so you really need to use this care and get treatment. That way you don't develop problems down the road. So the second thing you need to do, obviously, is see a medical professional. Now you want to make sure that you're seeing someone who has taken care of people with auto accidents before. So if you're going to go see a chiropractor, you should definitely Google car accident chiropractors and look at their reviews and make sure that they've actually taken care of people who have been auto accidents, because you want to make sure they know how to do the paperwork, they know how to file it to your insurance company, and make sure that you get the care that you need. The next thing is you want to make sure that you are under consistent care, because if you go get care one time, maybe you feel better, but the reality is the soft tissue within your neck has been damaged and stretched out, and you want to make sure that you get that taken care of. Like I said, a lot of times down the road, you can get all kinds of issues, headaches, neck pain, back pain. And if you don't get your spine looked at, there can be problems. Now, the last thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is seek legal assistance. Now, a lot of times, again, people don't want to get a lawyer involved, but if there's some sort of problem going on with your insurance company or the other person's insurance company, your lawyer who specializes in personal injury is going to know what to do, and they're going to know what to file on your behalf. Another great thing about personal injury cases is that you don't actually have to pay the lawyer until they get the settlement. So they're going to be very honest with you up front if this is a case that they really even needs a lawyer. So a lot of times they'll do a free consultation. The lawyers that we work with a lot of times do that, and they'll let you know if this is a case that really should, need legal advice, or maybe it doesn't. But you should definitely consult a lawyer, because if you don't, and time runs out, you actually can't go backwards and do anything about it. So you want to make a claim, you want to make sure you see an expert, you want to make sure you're under consistent care, and you want to seek legal advice for your car accident. I hope that helped you. And if you are seeking care in the Boulder area, we are Atlas Chiropractic, and we take care of patients all the time that have had bad auto accidents, even from 65 miles an hour, rear end on the freeway, to just a fender bender down the street. We'll help you get better and get you back to feeling you. All right, take care.